Hey everybody, it's Charlene with the Roadrunners, and I'm back at the Marriott today in Tampa. So, smaller room this time, which this is 632, but the same amenities. We have a robe, we have all the goodies in the closet, and a little bit different view. And it looks like a queen size bed. All the nice stuff, nice big TV. And we have a kettle down here, I believe. A little bit different view. No airplanes this time, but that's okay. But we got the nice sofa to lounge a little bit. And of course I have about an 8 o'clock flight out of here tomorrow, so won't be here a long time, but very nice. And people downstairs at the desk were very pleasant. And we've got the nice stand-up shower and all that good stuff. So this is right on the end of the hall, so it is one of the smaller rooms. But it's been fun here in Tampa this past day or so hope everybody's having a great Sunday, and tomorrow we fly.